And that's all we have on the board. Most of us, when we see long questions, we just give up. We don't want to know. And you forget that some of these long questions are actually the easiest, and those short ones might be. So let's see. The bag contains 3 white and 3 red balls. If 2 balls are picked from the bag, one after the other, without replacement, what's the probability of picking balls of different colors? Our emphasis is this: without replacement. That means when we pick one, we are not putting it back for any selection we are doing before we start again. Now we have total number of ball is equal to 3 plus 2, which is 5. So 5 balls are actually inside the bag. Now, balls of different color. These are the 2 possibilities you can have. It's either the first is white and the second is red, or the first is red and the second is white, for them to be different colors. These are the possibilities we have. So now, probability of picking a white and a red, let's solve this first, will be equal to, what's the probability of picking a white ball? We have 3 white balls here, so we have 3, the number of white ball, all over the total number of ball, which is 5, multiplied by, remember, when you pick one, you are not putting it back. So when we pick one of the red ball, we're not putting it inside back. The white ball is still 2, but the total now will be 4, since we did not replace this one we picked from here. Hope that is clear. So if you solve this, we have, nothing can divide, so we have 6 over, because something can actually divide. 3 times 2 is 6, 5 times 4 is 20, 2 here 3, 2 here 10. So we have 3 over 10 for this. And let's solve this one. The probability of red, white, now the first one is red now, which is 2 over 5, total number 5, times 3 for white. The number is still reducing by 1, so we have over 4. But if it was with replacement, the total will still be 5. So you must be very careful. So this is equal to 2 here 1, 2 here 2. This will still give us 3 over 10. So the probability of white, red, or red, white, different color, probability of picking balls of different colors will be equal to, we now add this because of this all here, 3 over 10 plus 3 over 10. I want you to complete this in the comment section and tell me the final answer. Thank you very much.